And my fellowship is 1-year program. This year it's 4 of us, and everyone is doing different projects. I'm working on scanning project. I'm also working for the radio podcast. What is the interview about this, what's going on about the Yiddish world, but as well as National Yiddish Book Center projects. Everyone who is working here is doing something what is unique, what is special. There is no one in this place who is doing something what is not useful for the world. I found this place really magic because this is something really important, because we are preserving something what is world treasure. It's not only about the Jewish culture treasure, but like I said, this is something what belongs also to the Polish culture. So in that sense, it is a world treasure. But between us, Yiddish was spoken language in many places in the whole world. We can find books as they were printed in Birobidzhan, in Romania, somewhere in South Africa, in Australia, in Argentina. Yiddish belongs to the whole world.